In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons in Figma. By the end, you'll know 2 simple ways to bring high-quality icons into your designs, keep them consistent, and get them onto your frames quickly. Start by opening the Figma file you are working on so you can see the exact frame or artboard where the icon will go. With your design open, go to the Actions menu and choose Plugins. This is where you'll access tools that help you pull in ready-made resources without leaving Figma. In the search field, look for Iconify or Material Symbols. Both are popular options with large, well-organized libraries. Click Run on the one you want to use. Inside the plugin, type the name of the icon you need, things like search, home, menu, or arrow. You'll see multiple styles and weights, so pick the one that best matches your project's look. Click the icon you want and it will import directly onto your selected frame. From there, position it exactly where you need it. Most icons will come in as vectors or components, which means you can scale them up or down without losing quality. Use the right-hand panel to adjust size and color, so the icon aligns with your typography and brand palette. Keeping stroke weights and corner styles consistent will help your interface feel cohesive. If you want access to entire icon packs, head to the Figma homepage and click Community. In the search bar, type icons to explore free sets created by other designers. Open a set that fits your style, then use the duplicate button to add it to your drafts. Once duplicated, you can open the file in Figma. Browse through the pages and copy the components you need. Paste them into your design file and place them on your frame. Working from a duplicated set is great for consistency, because all sizes, naming, and variations are already curated for you. It also makes it easy to swap icons later without breaking your layout. As you use these icons in your design, keep a few practical habits in mind. Stick to a single family or visual style across a project. Align icons to your grid so they snap cleanly and match their size to the text they accompany for balanced hierarchy. When possible, use vectors so you can refine strokes and colors with confidence. That's it. Thanks for watching.